Hi guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. Today I want to start a new series where I go through 5 coins each video. Not sure how many videos are going to be in the series, but we'll definitely have at least 3, maybe 4. We'll see how we go from there. But today I just wanted to start with 5 coins that you can still find in change today. And these guys are all worth far more than the face value. So today I've got a 5-cent coin here, and so I just wanted to speak to you a little bit about the mintages of each of these coins and their value. Now, a lot of these coins are all low mintage coins, but not all of them. But as we go through, I'll explain about each of the coins. So this one here is the 1972 5-cent coin. Now, until recently, this has been the lowest mintage 5-cent coin, but as of 2016, that did change. So this is the 1972, as you can see there. So the 1972 5-cent coin, there was 8.3 million produced, which doesn't sound like a low number, but as far as 5-cent coins goes, yes, it is. So that one there is a circulated coin. So the prices that I've got for you are based on circulated and based on recent sales on eBay. So if you find one of these, certainly put it aside. These guys sell for around $5 each, far more if in uncirculated condition, but in this kind of grade, or even worse, you'll easily get $5 for them. So, but yeah, 5 cents to $5 is a very good return. So I'll just pop that one down there for now. So the second one we have is one I love finding, which is the 2011 10-cent coin. So there we have it there, the 2011. Let's have a look at that. Since it's a fairly recent coin, the condition of them that you can find them in is still fairly high, mainly around this sort of grade. But there was 1.7 million of these minted, and these have a sale price of around $5 to $7 depending on condition. But yeah, very good return. The next coin we have for you today, and these are in no particular order and no particular value, but is a Mobberoos. Now this one is the 2014 $1 coin. Just over 1 million of these were made, 1,052,000 according to the Mint website. Now these sell for around $4 to $8 each, so make sure you keep these guys. Now the next coin is a very popular coin. Only 1 million of these were minted, and this is the $2 Coronation, 50, I think it's 50 years. It was 60 years, yeah, of Coronation for the Queen. And that's the 2013 $2 coin right there. These are quite tough to find. Every now and then I'll find one, but this was one I found more recently, and it was in quite a nice condition. These have a good value as well, and in circulated condition, which is probably a little bit worse than this one, but in a lower grade, they sell for around $12 each for circulated, and then the uncirculated version can go for around $30 each, $25 to $30, but depending on the day. So the final coin I've got for you is not very often found, but I thought I'd just bring it to your attention anyway, because a lot of people do have these at home, and this is the 1966 round 50-cent coin. Now, it's still a beautiful coin. Occasionally these do come up in change. People do find them handed out as 20-cent coins, and yeah, absolutely worth keeping. Even though the mintage on these coins is not very low at 36.5 million, what makes these guys hold a greater value than 50 cents is because they're made from 80% silver. So as the price of silver fluctuates, whether it goes up or down, the price of these coins also fluctuates. So depending on condition again, but even in uncirculated condition, they might only get about $18, but generally these guys will sell for anywhere between $8 and $10. So absolutely worth keeping and holding on to, and see what the price of silver does. But still a beautiful coin, only put out in 1966. But yeah, this is obviously the first video in the series, and I'll certainly make a few more in the next few days, and put 5 different coins out each and every day, and just go through their mintages and their rough values. Certainly the values do fluctuate based on grade and condition. As you can see here, different grades and different conditions. But I hope you enjoy the series. Thanks for watching.